Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will show you some tips and techniques to enhance Revit performance, clean up your models, and reduce file sizes. It is essential to make your workflow faster and smoother, preventing freezes and model crashes, and also proper project delivery. The first step to model optimization is to get rid of billions of unused windows and views. To avoid doing it manually, Revit offers a tool. Go to the View tab and click Close Inactive from the Windows toolbar. This will close all of the views you are not using. The next thing is about optimizing all of the imported files. Try using linked files and manage them in the Manage Links menu instead of importing them. Revit offers many file types that can be linked to the model. Additionally, the main approach to reduce file size and make a full project cleanup after finishing the project is to use Purge tool. Go to the Manage tab and click Purge Unused. This tool allows you to clean unused elements in a whole project. You can manually select or unselect needed categories or use the Check All button. Revit detected 565 unused elements, including families, element and view types, annotations, and many others. Click OK to delete them from the project. It's better to use this tool in late project stages to avoid loading needed elements many times to use them during the workflow. This gives more profit by reducing local Revit model file size and slightly reducing central models file sizes. Last but not least is to clean all of the Revit temporary files from your computer. Close all of the Revit applications. Open the search on your taskbar and write down the following combination. Open the folder. Here you can select everything and delete it. Skip all of the errors. It can take some time to clean those files. Then go to your local disk and open the Users folder. Go to the needed user folder, App Data, Local. In the Autodesk folder, select the Revit folder and the needed version. Run through the folders and clean everything up. I prefer to do it with all of the versions to free up more space. These tips will help you to boost Revit workflow and model performance. Subscribe to our channel to keep learning new things with new vision. Thanks for watching.